What's up, everybody? It's your boy Steve here, and in this video, guys, I'm really just going to give you guys some reasons on why you definitely want to take a look at $25 one-up. Really give you 5 different reasons on why you should definitely join this particular program if you're looking for better ways to earn more cash flow, just get more capital for what maybe you're already doing, you know, just to be able to help your business run a lot more effectively, or if you're looking for something that can, you know, something new that you can actually do. I've got something that can definitely help you. It's definitely helping a lot of people. It's definitely helped us. It's helping us every single day, and I love getting paid on the regular in this program. So let me kind of break it down. I got a few different things written down here. These, I guess, 5 different reasons on why you should do this. Number 1, of course, is 100% commission. I mean, you can't beat 100% commission. You know, most programs pay you 10%, 20%, 30%, maybe 50%. But one thing that I was looking for was something that can pay me 100%. You know, because a lot of different programs, a lot of different opportunities or whatever, and there are a lot of great opportunities out there. But most of the time, and I'm in a lot of different ones, but I was looking for something that could pay us 100% so we can reach our income goals much faster, because every sale, every transaction, we're getting 100% of the profit, right? 100% of it, not just a percentage, but all of it, right? So we can reach those goals much faster. So that's number 1, 100% commissions. That was the main thing. Number 2, instant pay. You know, instant pay is crucial if you're in a position where you need to make money now, make money today. In this program, you can actually get started today and make money today, like literally. You know, a lot of companies, a lot of programs out there, of course, you can make money as well. But typically, even if you make a sale today, in most opportunities, you're going to have to wait for that commission to hit your bank account, or for them to send a check in the mail, or maybe it's the 1st or the 15th when you get paid, or every other week, or maybe every Friday, or once a month, whatever, right? You make sales all the time, but you're going to have to wait for those commissions. But wouldn't it be nice to also add something to your portfolio of different opportunities, different multiple streams of income, to where you can actually make money today from the activity that you actually put in place? So that was one thing that we were looking for. We had 100% commission, so we can reach our income goals much faster. Instant pay, so we can get paid today. So if I needed to make $500 today, I actually could physically make $500 today. Go out there, go to work, make enough sales to earn 500 bucks. Guess what? I got that money right now. Not waiting weeks, days, months down the road. I have access to those funds immediately as soon as the transaction happens. And then number 3, no monthly fees. I think that was a very big deal. That's really a big deal for a lot of people. I don't really have a problem with monthly fees on a lot of different programs, because I know it takes money to make money, but it doesn't take a lot of money to make money. But one thing that is attractive online, if you could provide an opportunity where people don't have to pay a monthly fee on a lot of different things. Now, people still do it, but this is a really great program because there aren't any monthly fees associated with the program itself. Okay, now if you want to use certain tools and resources and things of that nature to help you get more leads and sales, of course, most of those type of services have monthly fees, and you can still implement those things. But I'm just talking about the specifics of the opportunity itself. There aren't any monthly fees. Everything is a one-time payment. And you should see some information below this video somewhere on this page where you can get more information about the compensation plan, the products, the services, and all this stuff about $25 one-up. This isn't that video. I'm just giving you 5 different reasons on why you should definitely join this opportunity, and really why we did it. So that was number 3. So number 1 was 100% commissions. Number 2 was instant pay. Number 3 was no monthly fees. Number 4 is, you know, it's kind of bleeds off into the number 2, which is really pays daily. You know, that was one of the cool things that I do like about this program, is that we get paid every day in this program. Every day we're earning money from somewhere around the world. Someone is seeing this information or watching this information, and they're taking action. And every time they take action, cha-ching, we just got paid. Not only did we just get paid, but we also got access to those funds immediately as soon as the transaction has taken place. So that's really cool. Again, just to kind of reiterate a little bit more about, you know, the instant pay, and of course it pays daily. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Doesn't matter what the day is. Even on holidays, we can get paid. And there's multiple ways that you can receive funds from your referrals that are wanting to get access to the services and the products that $25 1UP offers. But the incredible thing about it is you can get paid every day. And so that was number 4. Number 5 is one thing that I did like was it has an automated system. And then we have our own systems and different things that we create as well. You know, we have our own type of swag but just $25 1UP, you know, the program itself, you know, TJ, the admin, definitely has put together an incredible top-notch type of program. And the system, they've got tons of capture pages, tons of videos. All you have to do is just really promote the information. So if you can promote, copy and paste. So I think that's the main thing is can you copy and paste the information into a lot of different resources, Facebook groups, Craigslist, you know, Facebook in general. The system pretty much takes care of the rest. Once people land on your page, the system's going to break everything down. You don't have to explain anything. You don't have to sell anybody. All you need to do is become a master promoter, okay? Whether you're doing paid traffic, whether you're doing free traffic, whether you're just doing stuff on social media, whatever, business cards, flyers, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just get people to the information and everything else will be taken care of for you. So that's the cool thing. So that was my 5 reasons on why you definitely want to take advantage of $25 1UP. We've definitely done well over $30,000+ in about 45 days in this program. And it just keeps on more and more and more about it. And who knows where we're at by the time you're watching this video, because it just keeps going up and up and up every single day. But number 1 again was 100% commissions. Number 2, instant pay. Number 3, no monthly fees. Number 4, pays daily. And number 5, an automated system that works for you. And all you got to do is just put things in place. So that's all I got, man, is, you know, I'm just really excited, fired up about this program. A lot of people really winning. We've never been a part of anything where we've seen so many people make a significant amount of income in a very short period of time. Everybody's different. You know, there aren't any guarantees for anything. But I will tell you this, because of those 5 different reasons, it can definitely put you in a much better position to earn some capital, especially going through the holidays, especially starting off 2019 and beyond. It has everything, has the perfect storm to help you get some capital, some income for your household. And so I definitely encourage you, if you're checking everything out, just get in position, right? Definitely, at bare minimum, get the gold, platinum bundle package, which is the 25 and 100. Just a little insight there that'll really just help you put you in a better position to where you can make some serious additional income that can really impact your situation, whatever it might be. You know, my number 1 recommendation, of course, is Enterprise. Number 2 is Diamond, and number 3 is the Gold and Platinum bundle package, which is the 25 and 100. And if you don't know what that is, just check out some information below or whatever. Go to the website. You know, you should see a link or something right below this video. Go to that website. It'll basically break everything down for you. You'll see exactly how everything works. Check out all my other videos on YouTube. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you can check out all the different things, you know, that we're doing in regards to $25 1UP and different tools and resources that can help you to win marketing on the internet. So that's really all I got, guys. I mean, I'm just fired up about it. So glad that we got wind of this opportunity during the holiday season and starting off of 2019. It's going to be a great year. It's going to be a great closeout of 2018. So if that's you, I would definitely encourage you to go ahead and check out the links below. Go ahead and go through the process. Get signed up. Get in position. Become an official $25 1UP and you know, representative. And hey, just go to work. Check out the training. We got tools, resources, and everything. And of course, even if you get the Gold and Platinum bundle package, that'll give you access to our specific training system that we have that comes with a marketing system, the same system that you'll see right below when you go to that link. Basically, the system that has allowed us to earn well over $30,000 in less than 2 months in this program. So yeah, this program here. And we're not the only ones. A lot of people are really winning in this program. So it's up to you to take advantage of it. So that's all I got. Hey, enjoy the information. Click below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified anytime I upload a video, because I got a lot of cool stuff that I'm going to be adding about this program and some other tools and resources that can help you to win big in 2019. So, hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys over the top. Peace out.